Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to take advantage of Klarna's discounts and promotions. So if you don't know how to get this done, then this video is for you. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to do this. So let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is to go to Klarna's website. You can just log into your account once you're there, and then once you're logged in, you want to click on discounts and promotions. Now that's going to open up the discounts and promotions tab, where you can browse the available offers. Now once you find an offer that interests you, just choose that and follow the instructions to get that offer, and you can redeem the offer once you have all the information on what it is and all the important details. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to take advantage of Klarna's discounts and promotions. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next